Hello, I'm Rory McGowan, the founder of GYMetrix. GYMetrix goes into gyms and attaches small, discrete wireless sensors to all of the equipment on a gym floor for 1 or 2 weeks. This includes cardio, resistance, functional, and free weights equipment. We also have staff on the gym floors conducting face-to-face surveys, specifically asking customers how busy they find their favorite equipment. We are causing a disruption to the fitness industry in the way that it supplies equipment to customers. We are changing it from an operator-supplier push model to a customer pull model. Customer pull models are far more efficient at giving customers the equipment that they want. This is because, firstly, customer pull models do not pull more equipment onto the gym floor than the customers need to provide a good service. And secondly, they do not pull unpopular pieces of equipment onto the gym floor that will not be used. This produces massive savings for operators. Generally, these savings come to 7 times the cost of a GYMetrix project. Secondly, customer pull models ensure that there's no shortages or bottlenecks. Customers pull on enough equipment that they can easily flow around a gym floor. When you solve these shortages, customers get a lot happier, and this improves not only customer satisfaction scores, but retention, and this leads to membership growth. You can produce happier customers whilst at the same time spending less on equipment if you focus on giving the customers what they want and stop giving them all the stuff that they don't want and don't use. The process of a GYMetrix study is, first of all, we have installers arriving at the gym, and they start attaching sensors to every piece of equipment on the gym floor and setting it up with our IT system. This can take anywhere between 1 and 2 days, depending on the size of the gym, and they will stay on site for another couple of days, making sure everything is working correctly. The next step is we start to do face-to-face surveys with your customers on the gym floor again, asking specifically how happy they are, how busy they find their favorite equipment. After 1 or 2 weeks, which is the typical length of a GYMetrix study, we then pull all of the sensors off of the equipment, and we start to run the information through our software package. And this is really what is unique and what adds value in GYMetrix, is how we not only analyze that data, for which we have a patent for, but how we overlay it on the customer surveys and the information that's come from that. It produces a real synergy in terms of the advice that we can give. This also enables us to do things like build model builders for our customers, rank equipment in terms of popularity, so our biggest customers can start to see what's really adding value and what they should drop. We can also run popularity rankings across all of the equipment that we're measuring. So although you don't have this piece of equipment in your gym, we can advise, have you thought about this piece of equipment, because we're seeing that it is very popular as well. The final step in the process is us presenting to the senior management team, and our advice revolves around, firstly, what is the overall capacity situation of this gym? Second of all, where are the equipment shortages that are causing customers frustration? Thirdly, where's the equipment excesses or unpopular equipment where massive savings could be made? Fourthly, we use heat maps to identify flaws in the layout and how could this be improved to make the customer's experience better. And finally, we look at the induction programs and where staff can change the customer's demand patterns to optimize the gym. I hope you have found this interesting and informative. Thank you.